Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to hide your followers list on Instagram. So let's begin. So here we are on Instagram, and once you are here, what you want to do first is simply go into your profile. So tap here on the bottom right here, and then on the top right here on the three horizontal bars, and go into settings. And from here, we will just simply go into privacy and then go into private account. Make sure to toggle this on, switch to private, and just like that, then the people won't be easily able to access your followers list right here. So the only people that can access it is the one who is currently following you that you have approved. So not anyone can follow you immediately unless you approve of them. And there is no way where you can hide your followers list even if they are following you, so you can't hide it from them. This is the best that you can do right here in hiding your followers right here, just by switching your account into private. And I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.